Hello everyone. Just wanted to make this video about the Fire Stick, Fire TV Stick, and it's 1080 80p, and I'm just going to show you how to put it together. This one's the mid-range one. It's in the middle, um, and it has the volume and the controls. You can control it with the remote. The cheapest one you can't. It's voice activated. And this is it, the Fire Stick here. You could put it in your TV in your HDMI. But most televisions you're going to need the extension. So you put that like that. Get the power cable, regular power cable. You can hook it up there. Mini US HDMI. So that goes to power, and that will go into your television, your HDMI. And you also have the remote control, of course. Now, if you don't want to use this remote control, what you can do, you can use a mini keyboard, and that comes with a dongle. Comes with that dongle. And what you would need, if you wanted to use that, you would need an OTG cable, USB here, regular USB, okay, HDMI, mini HDMI. So this is what you would do. You would hook that up there, like that. And then your power cable will go right in here. Okay. Now you have a USB that you can, put your thumb drive. You can put a thumb drive in here if you want. There's your power cable. Or you could use this here. You could use this mini keyboard, which comes with a dongle. And you would put the dongle in here, a little bit tight, and you could work it. You could work that keyboard instead of using the remote control. And that's about it. I haven't tried it yet, but I will be installing it onto my TV and getting the apps together and all that. Okay, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.